Hi guys, welcome to Miss Rosanel channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.
Hi everyone, nice to see you all, my viewers. I hope you are in good condition today. Keep healthy, stay at home, and kick away Corona. And today I want to share my views after joining 3 days online webinars with title is Imparting Online Teaching and Learning and Methodology. It was hosted by TIEUPS International and Jain University. There were three keynote speakers in the online webinars. There were Mr. Dr. Awasaran Ayer, Prof. Rajiv Kalabar, and Prof. Arun Kumar. Okay. Well, I think that's a webinar is a it has very interesting topic, and it will be help teachers, especially in Indonesia, English teacher in Indonesia, to be more engaging teacher in their online classroom. Actually, the first day it was my busy day because I came back from my school at 1 past 10. I needed to hurry up in praying Zuhur, and unfortunately I also had English course at 3 p.m. But I managed my time well, and the first day of webinar is started at 1:30 until 4:30 p.m. and it has 30 minutes for inauguration time. Well, almost of five provinces supported and joined the online webinar. There were Papua Barat, Sumatera Barat, Lampung, Riau, and Jambi. Almost of the speakers, bapak ibu dari dinas pendidikan per provinsi sangat mendukung acara ini, dan mereka sangat optimis untuk melihat signifikannya hasil pembelajaran online ini untuk guru-guru khususnya English teacher in Indonesia untuk semakin lebih kreatif dalam mengajar kelas secara online. Soon after I connected in Zoom meeting, I found Mr. Aswaran Ayer spoke about and explained how to connect Google Drive and to make our file, our document be ready while we conducted online classroom. And after that, an application for children that's very best for learning English in the classroom, online classroom, especially for kids, and it was very interesting. Well, the 3 days online webinars was wonderful. Thank you so much, Mr. Rafi. Thank you so much for all of the keynote speakers. Syukriya.